Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I really wanted to show you my new baby blender. It's a Ninja BN800 professional blender for my kitchen, and I wanted you to unbox this with me. So we're gonna start by opening it. I'm so excited about this one because I can eventually, make all those recipes that require a very good blender to make. All I've been using is like a food processor, and so yeah, this is goodbye. See, so I ordered this off Amazon, and they did put an outer box, just to cover it up. So this is it. So guys, the reason why I got this one is because it comes with a food processor, a blender pitcher, and of course the food extraction cup. So I can use this for my smoothie. This can actually make the dough, the cookie dough, whatever pie, whatever pastry dough you want, and this can blend ice. Yeah, it can make your frozen drinks. This can make your smoothies. It's really powerful, and this actually is 1400 watts, and of course with this can actually blend nut seeds, so my melon seeds, almond seeds, whatever. This can actually make peanut butter, from peanuts. So yeah, this is goodbye. So this is the picture one, and this is 24 ounces max. So we set this aside. So it's actually plastic, so I'm not gonna be scared that it's gonna break. So yeah, very sharp blades in there. So this goes in here, like so. And this is the food processor one. This can actually take 8 cups or 24 ounces. So yeah. Okay, so this is actually the extra blade. This can actually do your palm food extra because it has a plastic blade. If you use the very sharp one, the metal one, it's gonna blunt it. So that is really important. So yeah, let's get the motor head out. It's not really extremely heavy like I expected or feared, but yeah, this is it. So this is the lid for this one. Yeah, so just place it in.